The SRC extension identifies a generic source code file containing programming code in various languages for software development projects. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you identify, edit, or compile these source code files. Consider this the ace up my sleeve. There is a powerful technical workaround that I reserve for the toughest SRC cases. We'll cover the easier fixes first. SRC files are generic source code files that may contain programming code in various languages. The extension is used across multiple development contexts, including assembly language, kernel source code, and build system configurations without specifying a particular programming language. SRC files are plain text files containing human-readable programming code. The actual language varies by context, including C++ assembly or custom scripting languages. They follow the syntax rules of their respective programming languages and require appropriate compilers or interpreters. The reference software for validating SRC integrity is Visual Studio Code from Microsoft Corporation. Windows can preview the image, but lacks the internal codec for true rendering. Windows cannot natively activate scripts, so users need the proper execution environment. Open the menu by right-clicking your SRC file and choosing Open With. Try Visual Studio Code first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error approach is critical for diagnosis. If you still can't open the SRC file, it's okay, you've earned a definitive answer. Let's run these focus tests on the common failure points to locate where the issue with the SRC file begins. First, identifying the language. Open the SRC file in a text editor to inspect the code syntax. Look for language-specific keywords such as include and void for C class for C++, or MOV and JMP for assembly. Use file identification tools to help determine the programming language. Next, editing source code. Open SRC files in Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, or any text editor with programming support. Enable appropriate syntax highlighting based on the identified language. Use language-specific linting and formatting tools for code quality improvement. Finally, compiling the code. Compile SRC files using the appropriate compiler for the identified language. Use GCC for C code, G++ for C++, NASM for assembly, or the project's build system. Check the project documentation for specific compilation instructions and required dependencies. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.